Carruthers with Stifel Nicholas.
Good morning, McGraw.
How are you doing? Sorry, we were distracted by the movie Lady Bird.
Hey, no problem. I like that movie Brooklyn, too.
Yeah, that right?
Yes.
You got a classy guy, Scott Carruthers. That was a good movie. All right, just on the other side of the river from Brooklyn is Wall Street. And how did the Dow Jones do yesterday?
Yesterday, the Dow jumped 187 points and closed at 23,458 on good earnings and the passing of the tax reform in the House of Representatives. First-time jobless claims increased slightly, mostly due to delayed filings from Puerto Rico, but have been below 300,000 for 142 straight weeks. Now, that's the longest stretch since 1970. This was the best day for the Dow since September, and the yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury rose to 2.36%.
All right, let's get to some company news, starting with Tesla. What are we hearing from them?
This is kind of interesting, kind of scary at the same time. Tesla unveiled an all-electric autonomous driving semi-truck that will go 500 miles on a single charge. So it will be ready for delivery in 2019. Tesla says it will compete against fellow trucks as well as rail transport. Now, they also unveiled a roadster that will go from 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds and hit 250 miles an hour.
All without a driver.
No, not that one.
I was going to say.
At least I hope it does. It can go 650 miles on a single charge and will cost about $200,000. So you can get a couple of them.
All right, yeah. You want to get 2 or 3 of them just in case the one of them is in the shop. You want to be able to use the other one. Post Holdings, what are you hearing about them?
Right. St. Louis-based Post Holdings reported fourth quarter and full-year earnings yesterday after the bell. In the fourth quarter, Post had a $1.45 billion in sales and made a profit of $14.2 million. For the full year, $5.23 billion in sales and made a profit of $48.3 million. Post has done a tremendous job of branching out into more than just cereal, and it seems to be working. So.
All right, and then great Caesar's Ghost. Caesar's Entertainment, what are you hearing from them?
I know this is kind of an interesting story. Caesar's Entertainment is buying 2 casinos based in Indiana for $1.7 billion, and the price includes $25 million in upgrades to the 2 casinos. This is an interesting story because the main unit at Caesar's Entertainment just emerged from bankruptcy 2 weeks ago. They spent almost 2 years in bankruptcy to get their affairs in order and recently emerged with a much better financial situation.
Isn't it interesting how Caesars exits bankruptcy right after I leave Las Vegas? I wonder if the two are connected in some weird way. Markets today, Scott Carruthers.
Today the Dow looks off 25 points on the futures. We expect a light day before the shortened holiday week next week. So we'll see how it goes.
Scott, have yourself a good day. Thanks.